In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outer tie rod on your Kia Optima. Located behind the front wheels, let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, go ahead and remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 24mm wrench, we're going to go ahead and crack it loose. If you have issues getting this loose, try applying some heat. Do not try to take it out, just get it loose. Using a 17mm wrench, we're going to go ahead and remove this nut. If you have a cotter pin, go ahead and remove it now. Get it loose and remove the nut. And now using a hammer, we're going to go ahead and tap around this area to break this off. Go ahead and pop it off. Before we go ahead and remove the outer tie rod, we have to count every turn. This is to get us close to the current alignment of the vehicle. So go ahead and count the turns. Just keep in mind, after you do this job, you will need to bring the vehicle to an alignment shop. So holding on to the nut, we're gonna go ahead and count the turns. 1, 2, 15, 16. So just keep in mind, for your vehicle, the turns may vary. So do not duplicate this. This is for this specific vehicle. Now go ahead and count the same turns when you took it out. Now that we counted the same turns as when we took it out, go ahead and max out the nut. And now we're gonna go ahead and install the outer tie rod to the knuckle. Slide it in and install the nut. If you can fit a torque wrench on this nut, the torque spec is 33 foot-pounds. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it with a wrench. Now we can go ahead and install the cotter pin. Line it up with the hole and slide it in. Once you have it through, you'll go ahead and just bend the legs. Now we can go ahead and tighten this one. The spec for this nut is 40 foot-pounds. In this case, I'm gonna be hand tightening it with a wrench. After this, it's always recommended to bring the vehicle to a professional to get it aligned. Install the wheel. Start the lug nuts by hand. And get them snug. With the vehicle on the ground, we're gonna go ahead and torque it to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.